Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to the first of our bumbling baking slots designed to bring you a little bit of happiness and a bit of a chuckle during these troubled times. Leanne's going to ask me questions and I'm going to get stuck in and show you what I'm doing.
Okay, so Em, what are we going to make today?
Right, we're making a chocolate cake today. What we're doing is I've pre-mixed here, just to save time, Honeybuns cake mix. You add 2 free-range eggs and 170 grams of melted butter. That would make you 2 8-inch cake sandwiches, and you could bake those at 180 degrees, 350 Fahrenheit, 25 minutes, and you'd get a gorgeous vanilla sponge. Today we're going to add 100 grams of solid chocolate buttons. You can use chocolate chips, chocolate chunks. These are gluten-free ones and they're from a company called Barry Callebaut. It's a Belgian company. Don't worry if you can't get that. Use anything you can, high quality, 52-53% cocoa solids. Then I've got 100 grams of the dark chocolate. Again, we use the same supplier, Barry Callebaut. This is dark and it's 72% cocoa solids. And basically you can either use a hand electric mixer or do it the old-fashioned way, which I'm going to do to work out some of my anxiety today, because it's been one of those more challenging days. Leanne, any more questions?
How long do you reckon that will take to make altogether?
Okay, well you've seen how easy that is. Basically, I've mixed the cake mix with the melted butter and the eggs. That took me 2 seconds, well, 20 seconds. This has taken me, 20 seconds to mix in. All you then do is pop them in your sandwich tins, which I'm looking for because I washed them up. They look like this. Don't do what I did this morning when I was trying to prepare one earlier, which is use the wrong size. These are slightly too big. You want the 8-inch ones. These are the 10-inch, and use loose bottomed, not the solid one here, because it will make getting the cake out a lot easier. You want to brush, whichever tins you're using, brush with melted butter so that you get a really lovely crunchy crispy outer bit to your cake, and it also helps to release it from the tin. This, don't laugh, right? This is one that I did earlier, and this is why I'm not allowed in the bakery. I come up with the ideas and not so good at executing them. This is really wonky. Told you that would make you chuckle.
It looks homemade though, I've done this.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, definitely homemade by me. But yeah, absolutely delicious. Gluten-free, not dairy-free, but we can go on to that in another blog for you and cater for the vegans and dairy-frees of you out there. Hope this has made you smile a little bit. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're going to tuck in with a pot of tea. Thank you for watching.